Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study about formation of sodium chloride, that is common salt or the table salt that we use in cooking. We have studied in previous lecture that when atom loses electron, it becomes positively charged or cation, and similarly when an atom gains electron in its outermost shell, it will become a negatively charged ion that is called anion. Sodium is a metal. One electron from the sodium transferred to the chlorine that has 7 electrons in its valence shell. After losing electron, sodium atom becomes sodium ion or sodium cation, while chlorine atom gains that electron and become chloride ion or anion. Now these oppositely charged ions will attract each other and become sodium chloride compound or the common salt. Here in table activity 6.2 is given. We have to find the number of electrons released or gained for each element. Potassium, it is +1. This positive sign show that it is cation and it loses electron. So the while the number or numeral subscript show that how many electrons have been lost. So 1 electron has been released or lost by the potassium atom. Oxygen -2. Negative sign show that electrons are gained, and how many electrons? 2 electrons. And similarly 2 electrons are lost by calcium atom, and chlorine atom gains 1 electron. Isotopes and their uses. Here in diagram you can see that we have studied number of proton in an atom is called its atomic number, and no two elements may have same atomic number, and atomic number is the identification number of any element. Here hydrogen atom are given. All of these hydrogen atom has 1 proton in the nucleus, and this is the atomic number or the identification number of hydrogen atom. And we have studied that the number of proton and electron in atoms are equal. So all hydrogen atom also have 1 electron in their shell, while the number of neutron may be different. The first one, protium hydrogen 1 it has no neutron in it, so its mass number is also 1. Deuterium having 1 neutron in its nucleus, so its mass number is 2. Tritium having 2 neutrons in its nucleus, so it has mass number 3 by adding 2 neutrons and 1 proton. So all these atoms belong to hydrogen element, while they have different mass number. Here you can see the definition. The atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers are called isotopes. And why the mass number is different? Because of the different number of neutrons present in their nucleus. Hydrogen having 3 isotope, atom of hydrogen may have 0, 1 or 2 neutron, and similarly their mass number will be 1, 2 and 3. And these isotopes are also named as protium, deuterium and tritium. Similarly, carbon has 3 isotopes like C612, C613 and C614. 6 is their atomic number or the number of proton, while 12, 13 and 14 is the mass number. And carbon 12 has 6 neutrons, carbon 13 has 7 neutron, and carbon 14 has 8 neutron in the nucleus.